Yeah, because insurance is, well, that's just between you and I, quite honestly. Their job is not to really help you out. Their job is to take your money. So they are not going to give you the best treatment out there. The best treatment out there is going to be having implants placed. A lot of people don't want removables, things they're going to have to take in and out, correct? So therefore, insurance is not going to cover much, if any, part of your implant. What will cover is our financial assistance that we have, where we have 3 different companies that we use, and you can go into various different situations with all of them. One is Ally Bank, one is Lending Group, and one is Care Credit. Miranda Presley, my office manager, a lot of times that day, if you have the information, can find out exactly what you qualify for and find out what can be taken care of.